In primetime news this evening, Stonewall, the permanent secretary in the Energy Ministry, points a difficulty in getting information about questionable Petrojam donations.
Calabar to make public apology to Kingston College after controversial viral video.
And Jamaica Fire Brigade on the defensive in light of damning crash report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Archibald Gordon. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green is here with a preview.
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, the battle over farmlands at Bernard Lodge in St. Catherine has intensified. The farmers have now engaged an attorney, which now turns this battle into a legal battle. I'll have the details in the business day.
And for the latest in sports, Spencer Darlington is here with a preview.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, the CONCACAF Gold Cup has always been held in the United States and Mexico, but guess what? This year it's coming to the Caribbean, and a piece of the action will be in the land of wood and water. We'll tell you more later.
In addition to that, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking this question: what are your thoughts about the video of Calabar boys making derogatory chants about boys at Kingston College?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.